All right, ratio test, let's try it. What do you get? Limit n goes to infinity, the absolute value of an plus 1, which can be 6, n plus 1, n plus 1, divide by an, which is 6, n to the n. A little complicated. Let's write this a little differently. Limit. I notice everything is positive, so I don't have to worry about the absolute value anymore. So it's going to be 6 n plus 1 to the n plus 1 times n to the n over 6. I got to reduce that. So limit n goes to infinity. Let's be careful over here. So the 6's cancel, and I see n over n plus 1 to the nth power times 1 over n plus 1. All right, so looking at that, I mean, it's certainly, I got to start thinking about it now. And I'm going to start to rewrite this a little tiny bit because I think it's somewhat familiar. And let me write this as, I'm going to do something strange here. I'm going to write it as n plus 1 over n to the minus n times 1 over n plus 1. I'm still struggling with that first factor. And I notice it looks familiar to me now, sort of anyway. Limit n goes to infinity. This is 1 plus 1 over n. Again, I'm going to write it a little differently. I'm going to write it as to the nth power raised to minus 1 times 1 over n plus 1. Well, I notice this thing now. And what I notice about this is it's just a. As the n goes to infinity, it's a. So what do you get? You get, let's see, e to the minus 1, which is 1 over a. And then this second guy over here, that's going to be 0. Let me go backwards on that. This guy's going to be 0. So what's the limit going to be? The limit's going to be 0. Is 0 less than 1? Yes. What do we know? We know this is a conversion series. Thank you.